Hill. Phase 3 has just started pre-selling, and we'd love to show you around and tell you a little bit about the community. Come on in.
Hi everyone, welcome to Hagan Hill. I'm Art Quagliani, the community manager, and we're celebrating Oktoberfest here. So welcome in, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our Phase 3 that has just opened up that we're very excited about.
At Hagan Hill, we've got two gorgeous furnished models. Art, do you want to tell us about the great models that people have an opportunity to come out and take a look at here at Hagan Hill?
Certainly, we're in our Primrose 5, which is our flagship design. It's 3,700 square feet, starts out around $415,000, but the features that families and realtors really love when they're coming in with their clients are the high soaring ceilings in the family room and this beautiful open kitchen that opens up to the family room as well. We have the deluxe kitchen package here with the oven microwave combination and the gorgeous Vena hood here with a nice cooktop and pot and pan drawer. That's all part of the deluxe kitchen package.
Absolutely. Going along with our Oktoberfest theme, we've got lots of room for entertaining in this model for sure. One of the great features in the Primrose floor plan is the spacious primary bedroom. This includes oversized windows and window seats. The primary bedroom features a large bathroom with a garden tub, 2 sinks, and a walk-in shower with the walk-in closet off of the bathroom. This is a great layout. It's spacious, inviting, and welcoming. One of the great things about the Primrose floor plan is the second level.
This being the Primrose 5, upstairs we have a nice bedroom with a full bath and also this spacious game room as well. Behind us you see the media room, which is very, very large.
Yeah, very practical. Again, great home for entertaining, for a large family. You've got lots of space here to be able to do a lot of different things with.
Yes, definitely a big focus on entertainment space with the 3 spacious living areas, the family room and the game room, and the very large media room as well. Another great feature of the Primrose 5 is this large study office space up front. As you can see, there's many windows in this particular study that lets a lot of natural light back into the room, and it's a great place for working and so forth. Backyard of the Primrose 5, and just to give you an idea of perception, the amount of space that we're seeing here to the back of the Primrose 5 is pretty much the amount of space you'll get with our standard home sites in Phase 3. So certainly ample size to afford for a pool and playground equipment and so forth for your children.
We are in our second model at Hagan Hill, the Hawthorne 2.
Yes! I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Hawthorne 2. It's a 4-bedroom design with a formal dining space, and it's kind of a 1.5 story. There's a game room and full bedroom upstairs with a full bath. Excellent for guests. You can see again, all of our designs have many windows, letting a lot of natural light in, which families really love that.
The great open concept to this floor plan is really highly sought after. It's a very nice, spacious area, feels big, and very inviting.
What we're seeing here is our Phase 3 home sites that have currently opened up. They've been very, very well received. Our standard home sites here are 70 feet wide by 144 to 150 feet deep, so around a 1/4 acre. And I also have some probably a dozen home sites that are close to a 1/2 acre. So all these home sites here in Phase 3 will accommodate a 3-car garage as well. And there's also an area in the corner of Phase 3 that's our retention pond, and then also there's an area that's already been designated for a future Mesquite ISD Elementary School.
Thank you for joining us today for our virtual tour of Phase 3 at Hagan Hill in Mesquite. Please come out and visit our 2 furnished models and take a look at all of the lots that are available. We don't want you to miss the opportunity to call Hagan Hill home.